Smartbook 2.0 helps you focus your study time, emphasize central topics, and test your understanding. It highlights important concepts in your current reading and presents questions to practice what you've learned. Smartbook is an adaptive learning tool, meaning it adjusts based on your practice, determining which concepts you have learned and identifying any gaps in your understanding. Let me show you how to access Smartbook from your Canvas platform so you can complete your weekly reading assignments. Remember, these assignments are 30% of your grade, so it's important to complete them on a timely basis. From the Canvas homepage, click on the Reading Assignments button. You can also click on the Assignments link on the right, or go directly to the Assignments module and click on the assignment. Please note that you can access Smartbook assignments on your tablet or phone using the Read Anywhere mobile app. When you launch the assignment, Smartbook is attached as a resource. When you open Smartbook, the first screen gives the due date, the expected duration of the activity, and the number of concepts covered. At the bottom, you have the option of starting with the reading or starting with the questions. In the reading portion, Smartbook presents the same text as found in your student edition. Yellow highlights present the important points to take away from the reading. Please note that the expected duration of the activity is different for each student. Each chapter's reading activity is about an hour. However, some students may take longer while some may complete it faster. Use the navigation arrows to page through the material. Use the arrows at the top to move to the next concept. If you exit the assignment, Smartbook will save your place so you can continue from that point when you return. You can access the questions by selecting the button at the bottom of the window. The questions come from the reading and help you practice your knowledge. If you need help, select the link to learn more about it. When you're ready to submit, indicate how confident you are in your answer. You find out immediately if you answered correctly or not, along with the correct answer and the reasons behind it. Select Next Question to continue answering questions. When you have answered all the questions, select Complete Assignment. The final screen shows your progress, the number of questions you answered correctly, and a list of the concepts you found most challenging. In a Smartbook assignment, you must answer all the questions by the due date to complete the assignment. You'll receive 100% whether you answer the questions right or wrong. After you've completed the assignment, you can always return to it to recharge. In other words, to practice the concepts you don't feel comfortable with. Select Start Recharge to begin. You can recharge and review an assignment as many times as you wish, but I recommend you do not use recharge as it may get you stuck in a loop of questions that never end. Just answer all the questions as best you can and submit the assignment. So to summarize, here are some tips. 1. Make sure you complete all those Smartbook reading assignments on a timely basis. 2. Read only the sections in the chapter that are highlighted in yellow. You can skip parts that are not highlighted. 3. You may find it easier to start with the questions and click on Read About the Concept button. This will take you directly to the section of the chapter where you can find the answer. Once you think you have the answer, go back to the question and answer it. Remember to click on how confident you are in your answer. 4. Make sure you complete all the questions, even if you get some wrong. If you do not answer all the questions, the assignment will not post to Canvas and you will get a 0. And 5. Do not use recharge, as it will get you stuck on the same question for hours.